time for better food. It's a restaurant known for homemade pizza, pasta dishes, and other Italian staples.
Chef Dante Sistuli from Square Peg Pizzeria is here with an easy recipe that we can do at home, or maybe you just want to eat your food because it smells amazing in here. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
It's good to be back.
So tell us the name behind the name behind the
Peg.
Okay, so Square Peg Pizzeria was a name. Tyler came up with the name, and basically what got us there was square peg is another term for like a standout, or for lack of a better word, a misfit.
Yeah. So
and I guess you could say we're cut from the same cloth, and perhaps retired misfits.
Okay.
Who now have standout pizza.
Who now have standout pizza.
And if you're wondering at home, Chef Tyler Anderson, of course, was on Top Chef and has some wonderful restaurants. This is, that's who you meant when you said Tyler, and this is one of his restaurants as well.
Correct. So Tyler and I actually did this restaurant together. So
Wonderful.
here we are. Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you got going on in that pot there? Is there a
Okay,
secret
so this
to,
is
there a secret to pizza?
There's many secrets to
Many
pizza.
secrets
This
to
one I will
pizza.
share.
Okay.
So a lot of people want to do pizza at home. They ask me about the stone. How do I heat the stone? They want to stretch dough. This is super easy. Something you can do at home or even when you're camping. Basically, you get your cast iron at home. Any shape, any size will do.
If you don't have cast iron, could it be a heavy, just like alclad pan or something, or it really should be cast iron?
Yeah, you could do a cast.
Okay.
You could even do a pie plate.
You could. Okay.
You could do anything. Anything that'll hold it. I like cast iron because I just feel like the texture comes out better.
Okay.
So you're gonna start with your dough. You stretch this out just to the sides.
Okay.
Super easy. We're not throwing everything in the air.
And you oiled it underneath?
I got a little oil on the bottom, and then I got a little oil on top, and then basically you make yourself a nice little crust all the way around, just like that. I'm gonna throw a little red sauce on. Okay.
Okay. And
And
this is,
then-
right now, it's not a hot pan. You started with just a
This is an ice cold pan, and
Okay.
I've preheated my oven to about 400, 425 degrees.
Oh, so okay, so we're gonna bake this.
We're gonna bake this.
Okay.
I'm gonna take some of my Mystic Cheese Sea Change, which is some friends of ours that make cheese and beer.
Yum.
We're gonna throw some of this on there. This is really nice. It's got like a smooth, creamy texture.
Okay. Looks beautiful.
A little bit of this, and then basically whatever toppings you like. I'm a fan of the traditional. I like olive oil, just any fresh cheese.
Yeah. See, I don't like stuff on my pizza.
And some good salt.
I just want to have cheese and sauce.
Cheese and sauce.
And I'm good to go.
All right. So then that's
Cheese
something that
pie.
you have. Now, is this, you make two, you're going to put that in the oven, right?
So this is gonna go in the oven, and I'm gonna show you the finished product.
Because you're famous for two kinds, right, Dante? Where you get the thin crust or you've got the deep dish.
Correct. We have two pizzas at Square Peg Pizzeria. We have
Meatballs.
our traditional round, and we have our square, which is a Sicilian-style pizza, thicker in a pan.
My mouth is watering.
I know
Okay.
mine is
good.
too. How long does it how long do you bake that for?
This is going to take about 12 minutes.
That's it? That's
it?
12, depending on your level of crust. If you like it really crispy, you can go a little longer. But yeah, about 12, 15 tops.
Okay.
And if you really want to wow your guests, this is something that I like to do. You're going to, after you cut this up, throw a little arugula on.
Uh-huh.
You're going to put a little olive oil on this, dress it.
This is after it's baked.
After it's baked,
A little
bit
pizza
of salt.
salad in one.
You're going to do a little fresh lemon
Ooh,
juice.
Fresh
yum.
lemon juice.
And then I'm just going to shave a little parm on here.
And more cheese, why not?
And now you just turned, right, something super simple into this wonderful chefery in your own kitchen.
Isn't that
Okay.
beautiful?
So in our final minute together, I
Yes.
think you have a different pizza you want to show us to. Yes or no? This
is
one,
the
just
guy.
this one. Okay, this is so amazing. And it comes, we could get cookies and milk as a dessert.
So the milk and cookies, a little Malden salt on top, is going to change your life.
Okay.
We have our rigatoni vodka sauce,
Oh my gosh.
which is the best pasta you're ever going to have. This is fresh pasta.
Oh, it is fresh
So we're not
pasta.
messing around. Pork meatballs, we cure our guanciale in-house, grind it. And then I just got a couple of our pizzas right here.
I don't know where to
Pepperoni.
start.
Yeah,
Kara.
what do we do? Should we just,
I would go right here.
Right there.
oh, you want us
This
to
is-
try the rigatoni?
This is where you want to be.
All right,
This is
all right.
rigatoni alla vodka.
Yeah.
All right, Square Peg Pizzeria is on Hebron Avenue in Glastonbury. They have a fun event coming up too. It's the Patty's Day Patio Party. Get it? That's on Saturday, March 14th at 1 p.m.
So delicious. I can't wait to try the pizza. For more information, go to squarepegpizzeria.com.